Hi, Alex Lane from Wharfedale Pro here. I'm the Applications and Solutions Manager. And this year at ISE 2023, we're also introducing our new install amplifier. This is the first of hopefully many in this range for us. But right here we have the DP-4035i. So on the front panel here, you can see we have a magnetic front panel. We have tamper-proof gain controls on the front here as well. And everything else is at the back of the amplifier. So the amp itself works in two sections. We have outputs A and B and outputs C and D. These can be independently set for low Z or high Z. So you could have subs running on A and B. You could even bridge those channels for a bit of extra power. And then you can have your distributed 100 volt or 70 volt system on the other two channels. We also have independent level controls. So 10K linear potentiometer that you can connect to each input here. Or you can link those together either using straight wire connections or using the GPIO. We also have fire alarm mute on, off, and some other functions coming on the GPIO, so fully compatible with life safety systems and any configuration that you might want. This is 450 watts per channel at 8 ohms, 765 watts at either 4 ohms or 100 volts. So lots of power in a small form factor. Nice, simple to use, easy to set up, and a great new option for us to offer to you guys. Please check out the website www.wharfedalepro.com. Learn more about the products and our other installation solutions that fit with this amplifier as well. Thank you.